Hi lovelies, so I've literally just got in from work. Do not concentrate on my face too much, I look crusty and dusty. I just thought we would do a get on ready with me. I've been to Savers, so I've got a few things from Savers and I just thought we could do an get on ready with me. My nails have all come off at work. That's the kind of week I've had, guys. On Sunday I did an 11-hour shift, and Monday to Friday this week I am doing early shifts, so I need a little bit of a pamper, guys. I need to sort my hair out because it's been in this bun for days. I need to shave my face. The peach fuzz is real. Grab yourself a cup of tea, grab yourself a snack, and let's jump in. So tonight for tea I'm going to have pizza because I just can't be bothered to cook. So it's quick and simple. So this video is not going to be hella long, guys. I'm just going to show you a few products that I picked up. Then when I'm taking everything off and whatever on my face, makeup and whatnot, I'm probably just going to play a bit of music over the top because I really need to chill out this evening. There will be a makeup video coming for the weekend, so for Saturday look out for that. I'm going to start my Valentine's, a few makeup tutorials. I'm going to do some glam Valentine's makeup, and I'm also going to do like a wearable, a bit like what I'm wearing today. So if you do like this makeup, comment down in the comments below and I will do that. So let me just show you the few things that I picked up. Obviously this is just some coffee. This is my favourite coffee, guys. I love it. So it's the Nescafe Gold, the caramel latte ones. These are so nice. Obviously because my nails have all come off, I picked up a nail file just to buff them. Like I say, I need to get the peach fuzz. I have not shaved my face in what feels like forever, so I'm gonna just shave the tash. The tash needs to go, the peach fuzz, and I'm gonna do round my brows. I'm also gonna tint my brows tonight as well. Picked one of these up, guys. I've got the most horrendous bunion on my foot and it's killing me. It's because I have to wear sliders every day for work, so they've just rubbed together. I saw this in Savers and it was £2, so I thought I'd pick it up and see if they're any good. Me and Tony needed a new scrunchie each, so I picked up like a creamy one for him and obviously a pink one for me, because the ones that we've got at the minute, they haven't got that proper scrunch to it, so your bubbles don't fizz up, if you know what I mean. Took some more micellar water. So this is the Garnier one. This one's got vitamin C. Now you guys know I love my vitamin C, so it's for dull and uneven skin. My skin's pretty dull and uneven at the minute. So it removes makeup, cleanses and brightens. No rinse, but I always rinse after. To take that off, just picked up some big cotton rounds. I prefer these than the smaller ones that I've got. I'm going to be washing my hair tonight as well, guys, so I'll show you the shampoo and conditioner that I've been using that I absolutely love at the minute. But I've just picked up one of these microfiber turban towels. So I heard really good reviews about these, that they don't like snag your hair and stuff. I picked up and Garnier my Skin Active Moisture Balm. These are one of my favourite like face masks, so I'm going to pop that on as well. I'm really going to give myself a pamper because I don't know what's wrong with me just lately. I don't know if it's because of all the hours I've been working or whatever, but I feel physically drained. I don't know if it's the January blues or something like that, but I really feel physically drained just lately. I'm ready for my holiday, guys. Just in the caravan, just the two of us, and I can't wait just to get away and unwind. It's gonna be amazing, and I think that's what I'm needing right now. I'm just needing a little bit of me time, so that's why I say I'm gonna just play music over the top when I'm taking my makeup off. I'm not gonna obviously show you in the shower because that is for my other channel, you know, that other channel down below. I'm only messing. It's not that kind of channel, it's not that kind of content. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going on about, guys. My brain is literally not even functioning right now. I think I need sleep. Like I say, I've just picked up 2 pizzas. I'm going to bung them in the oven while I go and take my makeup off and wash my hair and all that jazz. So obviously I'll show you the products that I'm using upstairs. It's just going to have music over the top. I hope you're okay with that. There will be more content obviously coming in coming up to the weekend, I will do like a makeup tutorial. I've got a Poundland, a full face of Poundland makeup, so I'm gonna see if we can get like a nice Valentine's look out of that, so make sure that you tune in on Saturday for that video. I'm not going to get any more acrylics on my nails. I'm going to give my nails a break because since my birthday I've been having acrylics like every month since way before my birthday, actually in October. So I think I'm gonna just give my nails a little bit of a break. So I've picked up this Sally Hansen, is it? So I picked up this Sally Hansen nail polish. It's a nice pink, so it'll do for Valentine's. So it's a nice pink one and it's in Poppy Fuchsia. So that's that one. It's in, the number is 283. And then the last thing in the bag, you guys know I chew your ear off about this product, but seriously, if you're not on the hype for this product, guys, you need to be. My hair feels amazing when I use this. It's so silky. It feels like I've had it done at the salon. I love it. I use the whole thing because, as you guys know, my hair's like bloody Rapunzel over here. So it's the 8-second Wonder Water from LV. This is the Colour Protect one. I normally get the orange one, but I haven't seen that one for a while. But obviously I colour my hair, so this one's really, really good. It gives you that shine enhancing quality. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. And yeah, I'll keep buying this all the time. So it's everything that I picked up. So now I'm going to go take you guys upstairs with me. We're going to take the makeup off. We're going to get in the shower. Well, you're not coming in the shower with me because of that. That's not what this channel is about, guys. You know, we're friends, but we don't need to be doing that. So I'm gonna have a shower, wash my hair and have my pizza, put a face mask on. I'm gonna play the rest with me music over the top. So I hope you enjoy this video. I love you always and enjoy, guys. Satisfying is that? Oh my god, guys, I feel amazing. My brows are all done. My skin feels so bloody soft. I'm not gonna put on the Garnier Moisture Balm mask. I normally put that on like an hour before I go to bed. So you've seen me put masks on before, you know what it's all about. So I don't need to sit here and put a mask on, but I'm gonna go downstairs now. I'm gonna have my pizza and I'm gonna chill out for the rest of the evening. Ooh, look at that bad boy, guys. I am not being good tonight. It's a sizzling chicken fajita pizza. Oh my god, it's banging. Probably edit this video. Can't believe my nails. I'm gonna give myself a break on acrylics for a bit because they literally popped off, like, you know, like press-ons. They literally, oh my god, I can't get my words out, guys. So they literally just popped off like they were press-ons. So I think my nails need to recover. So I bought that Sally Hansen nail polish. I'm going to put that on with some growth serum underneath. Just give it a a while having short stubby fingers, you're going to see on my videos, so I do apologise, but that pink nail polish looks amazing. I've cut myself here while shaving my face. I always do it every single time, but I think the brows have turned out pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna go down, enjoy the rest of my pizza. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my pizza because I've not even bloody started it yet. So I'm gonna enjoy my pizza. And then this video should, fingers crossed, be out to you guys on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. I'm filming it on Tuesday evening, so this will be out with you guys tomorrow evening. I'm hoping it does anyway, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe. There will be a lot of content coming. I have got a couple of collaborations coming up, one for Valentine's as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. If you do like my content, give me a thumbs up and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my uploads, guys, and you get notified as well, which is a bonus. I don't know what's wrong with me. December and January for me have just gone so bloody fast, and I just feel exhausted. I feel burnt out. I think I've just needed to wash my hair, do my brows, have a little bit of me time. Tony's fishing this weekend, so I'm going to have a lot of me time, which is amazing. I might even do a stew on Sunday and have a nice bath. I've got a bath bomb from Lush that Kaylee bought me. She bought it me for my Christmas, like in my Christmas Secret Santa, and I've still not used it yet. It's a gorgeous little cute polar bear. So we'll use that probably over the weekend, have a nice little bath and a little chit chat. If you guys would like to see me do like a Q&A or anything, pop some questions down below and we'll do a girly Q&A, glass of wine, glass of Prosecco, and we'll sit and chill and chit chat. So I love you all so much. Have a fabulous rest of your week and I will see you at the weekend. Love you. Bye.